Hi everyone, Dr. Saul here in Beverly Hills. We wanted to give you guys a recap of what gynecomastia is. We do a lot of it here. We see a lot of patients with different degrees of gynecomastia. So I wanted you at home to feel comfortable before you come in. We could go over what it is. Let's look at my presentation. So gynecomastia, what is that? That's enlargement of the glandular tissue of the male breast and the fat around it. Basically, let's go to this. This is your rib cage, this is your pectoralis muscle, and this is the normal amount of fat which we have between the muscle and the skin. So normal breast tissue. What happens during gynecomastia, you get increased the number of fat and the glandular tissue. So that's what creates gynecomastia. Sometimes we have a larger gland and enlargement of the fat, which is true gynecomastia, but always remember, the gland, when it gets larger, the fat also increases. So if you just take out the gland, you create a concavity, which looks like the Grand Canyon. Sometimes when people gain a lot of weight, they get pseudogynecomastia, which is there is more fat. The gland is still there, but they have a lot more fat compared to the gland. When can gynecomastia occur? It occurs during infancy, puberty, middle age, older men. It's all related to hormone changes. The hormones, testosterone and estrogen, are in both men and females, but in different degrees. Most of people think that estrogen is exclusively female hormone, but it's not true. Men also produce some estrogen. Most of the patients I see have this problem, which is persistent pubertal gynecomastia. What does that mean? That means the gynecomastia that develops in puberty and persists beyond 2 years. So this usually is when you're in your teenage years and you develop, you're growing, your hormones are changing, you develop breast, but it doesn't go away. It keeps persisting. Some other things. Aging, people that continue to age, they decrease in testosterone, which causes the problem. Weight gain is another one, and medications is another.